This is Cooking in the Kitchen with Amber. How are we doing today? Today I'm showing you how to make fried plantains. I am first going to show you how I slice and peel them right now. I'm doing the slicing. I'm doing the diagonal. And keep in mind, the thinner you slice them, the crispier they'll be. So you want to keep a steady hand on your plantain and a steady hand on a knife, and you got the gist of it. You got this. I'm cooking 3 kinds. They'll be at the end of the video, but right now I'm just showing one style. Just want you to get the gist of cutting the plantain and peeling and frying. In the next video I will show you how I make the other 2 styled plantains. So right now I'm doing this. Here comes the slicing, because I know a lot of people who aren't plantain eaters have a hard time peeling the plantain. So this is the super way. You'll cut both ends like such, and then you're going to take the knife, the tip, and you're going to go down slowly on the skin. Make sure you don't go too deep because you'll cut the plantain. All right, just like that. Bam. Okay. And it's peeled. Look how easy it's going to be to peel it. Look at that. You're not struggling because we don't want that. Now we're frying it. All right. And you get them as golden brown as you'd like, or how dark, whatever floats your boat. Okay, there's the 3 styles. At the end, the halves, the mashed, and the diagonal ones. I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a great day.